Talking Idaho Champion Gold Mines today with CEO Jonathan Buick. Idaho Champion chases ITKO on the CSE, GLDRF on the OTC markets in the state. Jonathan, appreciate you taking the time here. And as we said here, let's break down the end of the year and talk about 2022. So in your eyes, how'd you see 2021?
Sure. And thank you. Good to see you again, Rob. Happy New Year to you and to the viewers of StockPulse. Appreciate your ongoing support for our business, but certainly our sector as well. So thank you for that. 2021 was a busy year. We did additional IP at the Champagne project. We drilled another 10 holes at the Champagne in pursuit of that IP that we've seen at depth, a major anomaly. We've got 10 holes that were done. We've had the first two come to the market. We've hit some of the high-grade veins that were part of the open pit that Bema mined back in the 90s. We're looking to see more of those through the next 8 holes. We're still waiting for those next 8 holes to come. But certainly the geologic team and us are invigorated by what we're seeing there and expect to see those drill results out here in the next, let's say 4 to 6 weeks. And then we're already planning for the spring for what that looks like and excited about where 2022 goes. We have, in addition to the Champagne, we've got the Banner Gold project where we made a discovery in 2018, and we also have 4 cobalt properties in the Idaho Cobalt Belt. Certainly with Gervais Mining about to complete the construction and get into production this Q3 of this year, is certainly topical for the state and for the cobalt price now. We're now realizing $33 US, where this time last year it was 14. Reinvigoration into the cobalt space, and we're now having knocks on doors about our cobalt property. So we think we'll be able to generate some good news and advancement of those assets this calendar year as well.
Yeah, nothing you can do about this downdraft where it's been pretty rough for a lot of you juniors. But you just set the stage here for a whole lot of work here and mentioned cobalt. So let's get a little deeper into maybe your 2022 plans, as you've certainly got a lot on your plate.
Sure. So we need to first get all of the data back from the labs from the Champagne project where the spend was in 2022. Once we have that, we'll put together what that program looks like at Champagne. We've got Rich Lavelle and Greg Bowes, 2 of our technical advisors, who I know I've spoken to previously, but certainly world-class geologists that are going to be a part of that discussion of the results and what comes with the steps forward, along with Rob Kelly, who's our senior VPX, very seasoned guy who ran the program and is excited about where we are and have the brain trust that is our technical team put forth the path to what 2022 looks like at Champagne, and if we're going to do something at Banner, still to be determined, as well as what we're going to do on the cobalt. So we've got a couple different irons in the fire. We think we're going to be able to make great progress at Champagne, but also see if we can advance some of these other assets for the benefit of our shareholders.
Okay. Well, you're certainly a nice entry point here for new investors and shareholders here. So appreciate that update. That's Jonathan Buick. He's the CEO, Idaho Champion Gold Mines, ITKO, and the CSE GLDRF on the OTC market. Jonathan, thanks for that update, and we'll certainly look forward to tracking the news here as it comes in 2022.
Perfect. Appreciate keeping everybody up to date.
You bet.
Thank you.